Vicon Smart Sprinkler System. Real homeowner story. In California, wildfires are a constant threat. For families living in high-risk areas, keeping their homes safe isn't just a concern, it's a necessity. That's why more and more homeowners are turning to the Vicon Smart Sprinkler Fire Protection System. It gives them peace of mind by creating a strong, reliable line of defense around their property. This family's home sits right in a wildfire danger zone. After installing the Vicon system, their yard, roof, lawn, and exterior walls are now protected by a shield of water. When temperatures soar or flames break out, the sprinklers kick in automatically, delivering targeted water coverage that stops fire from spreading. Even better, the system works seamlessly with swimming pools, portable water tanks, and solar backup power. That means steady water supply and reliable power, even when the grid goes down in an emergency. For these homeowners, it's more than just an upgrade in technology. It's an investment in their family's safety and their property's future. On July 28, 2025, Vicon introduced its latest product line at a launch event that drew partners and media from across the U.S. Since then, Vicon has continued hosting live demos and partner networking events, helping families and distributors share experiences and success stories. Coverage from major outlets, including Phoenix TV, City TV, Huaxia TV, American TV, All American TV, Sing Tao Daily, Huanlian News, News Express, and City News highlights how Vicon is already making a difference for California homeowners. Today, more families are joining this movement for safer living. Choosing Vicon means choosing a safer, more reliable future. Vicon Smart Sprinkler System. Protect what matters most.